think I might have just rigged up the first ever electric follow focus for an action camera. More about that later though, because first we need to talk about this gimbal, the iSteady MT3 Pro, which is the newest and most advanced 3-axis gimbal from Hohem, who kindly provided me with this unit to review. With a 2.5 kilogram or 5.5 pound payload capacity that makes it capable of carrying most DSLR and mirrorless cameras, this is a gimbal geared towards professionals. It's equipped with just about every industry-leading feature you could ask for, starting with the integrated vision sensor that not only gives this gimbal the ability to track human subjects, but also just any other object as well. There's a detachable remote with an OLED touchscreen for controlling the gimbal, accessing all of the settings, and it also provides a live video feed from the integrated vision sensor. This is really useful for adjusting the framing of a video when filming by yourself. It makes it easy to activate object tracking by just tapping and dragging a selection around the object on the screen. And this remote can work up to 10 meters or 30 feet away. And you can also use hand gestures to activate the face tracking on this as well. So making the OK sign will activate the motion tracking, while making the stop gesture deactivates face tracking. And this is definitely the fastest and most responsive tracking I've ever seen on a gimbal. It has an upgraded quick release system that makes it easier to switch back and forth between landscape and portrait configurations. While switching the configuration does still require rebalancing the gimbal, that process is also made easier with the fine-tuning knob for precision front-to-back adjustments and individual rotation locks for each axis that allow you to balance one axis at a time without the other ones moving around. This gimbal can also be used with smaller cameras, and it even includes adapters for both smartphones and action cameras. Now, if you do order this gimbal, there are two different options to choose from. The MT3 Pro, which comes with the standard accessories, and the MT3 Pro Kit, which includes an additional grip handle and a motorized follow focus controller. The additional handle can be attached at several different angles. It adds stability, reduces fatigue for long shoots, and is great for getting low angle shots. Now, the last thing you want to do when using a gimbal is have a manual focus lens, causing a bunch of camera shake every time you try to manually rack focus. But that problem can now easily be solved by using the new follow focus motor. This allows you to adjust focus on manual focus lenses by using the dial on the side of the gimbal. The dial controls the motor, and the motor smoothly racks focus without introducing any camera shake. While I'm working on this video, all of the Canon and Lumix lenses that I have on hand right now are autofocus lenses. I can switch them over to manual focus and still use them with the follow focus motor, but I feel like this kind of defeats the purpose, and I really wanted to see what it was like using this follow focus motor with a fully manual lens. Which brings us back to that action camera setup I showed earlier. Because right now, the only lens that I have that is truly fully manual focus is the close-up macro lens for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 action camera. But I quickly realized that the adjustable gear ring belt wasn't going to work, so I first needed to come up with a solution for adding gears to this lens. Last month, I actually designed and 3D printed a custom focus ring that fit on this lens. It just gives you more to grab onto and makes it easier to adjust focus. So all I needed to do was take that design and modify it to add some gears. I'm very satisfied with how well this actually worked. And I think this might be the first time anyone's ever tried connecting a follow focus motor to an action camera. I know this is like the most specialized and niche thing, but if you do want to try building a rig like this, the follow focus ring that I 3D printed will be available on my store, which there's a link for in the description. If you are in the market for a new camera gimbal, the Hohem iSteady MT3 Pro is definitely a great option, and there's a link for this in the description as well. If you're new here, make sure to check out my channel. You can watch some more of my videos over here, and I'll see you over there.